you from? You can't speak English? Hello? Are you celebrating?
Sorry.
You can't speak English? Okay. Hello? Your Christmas going on?
Soy española. No
You can't
te...
speak English?
Nada.
Okay.
Lo siento. Sorry.
Sorry. Thank you. Please, here. Excuse me, brother. Hello, gentlemen.
Hello.
How is your Christmas going on?
Fantastic so
Oh,
far.
very nice. This is news channel from Pakistan.
Alright.
Please give me a message for community living in Christian community in Pakistan.
Okay.
The news channel.
Don't speak English, sorry.
How your Christmas going on?
Fine.
Please give me a message. How your Christmas going on?